How to leave a group on Life360 app or remove yourself from a Life360 circle. First of all, navigate to Life360 app on your device and make sure that you sign in to your account. Tap gear or the setting icon in top left corner and now select circle management from R3S section or settings section. And here you can simply tap on leave circle at bottom of your screen and tap on yes button. You will no longer see or show location with the circle, and if you are sure you want to leave, you can tap yes button. So in the similar way, if you have multiple circle, you can easily tap on the circle bar at top of your screen, and here you can first choose a particular circle. And by following the same step, you can easily leave a particular circle or remove the circle. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.